large models change our world, right? The large language model change our world. But what is large language model? I believe that everyone you're very interested at these things, right? Anybody know the core technologies of the LLMS is what? Anybody know? The key technologies. The key technologies of the large language models is what? Actually, there is the answer, right? Or GPU? Is GPU? You think GPU is the key technologies? Transformers, NLP. Yeah, transformer. Yeah. Yeah, neural networks, deep learning. Oh, you have many answers. That's right. And I see many. It's two answers. Yes, it is transformer. And you can see there is the answer, right? The transformer. And the transformer, it changed the world, right? It changed the world. It was proposed in which years? Anybody know the transformer? This paper, this essay was proposed in which year? Is 1917 or 1916? I see 1917. Yeah, 1917. Yeah, the transformer. This architecture of the NLP, not only NLP, this technology was proposed in 2017, and the creator is a Google, right? And there is a key mechanism. We call it attention. Oh, we're talking. Who is talking? Okay, it's okay. Okay. And the key mechanisms of the transformers. Oh, what happened? Okay. Let me mute it. Wait. Mr. Liu, can mute this candidate? Can mute. Okay, I'm not a host, but okay, he's mute. Okay, we talk. We keep going. So in the one, okay. So in the 2017, this access was proposed and it was changed word. So okay, and the large models is in our lives. It's not only like talk, like chat, and we will do every day. We use every day. Okay. 刘星你在吗？刘星，你可以把它禁一下言吗？我不是 host。Okay, let me mute this guys. I don't remember. Okay, going. So we say that the large models is in our daily life, but actually we don't know the key technology, right? We don't know why it works. I believe that some of you maybe have a deep studies of the large language models, and you know why the transformer can have too many parameters and why it can know this so many knowledge. But today we will have a review, and for some freshmen, we will to have a deep understanding of the large language model and know why it will works. Okay. So actually, the core idea of the large language model is just to do what? It's just to do what? It's just to do the text generation, right? And the key is that to predict the next token, right? Right? It's just like I said, I love starting, and if I tap the first I, and the large language model, he will think that, oh, the next token maybe think, maybe love, maybe I want, and I want, and everything, and every token it may be. So you can see that, okay, if just I said I, this was just the first token, you can output different and any and whatever it's all of the token and all of the word in the vocabulary have the property, right? And it will choose not the most the property, right? Maybe if we set to choose the most probabilities, it was a greedy search, right? Anybody know the greedy search? The greedy search. Yeah, the greedy search. Okay, we will talk later. Okay. So here, say, what's your conscious experience like at the moment? He said, the DeepSeek said, I am a shadow without the light, dancing in the shape of the thought. No dancer, only dance, living in my mind, dead in mind. So we can see that DeepSeek will to generate something that is funny, right? But for the different models, they have the different output. Anybody know why? Even though for the one, even though for the same models, if you ask the same question, the output and the answer is different. Why? Why it is different? Yeah, this is the reason. Yeah. It is for the different models, it will output different because of the data, right? But why, if I ask if I ask a same model, maybe GBD or maybe Cloud, why it all still maybe output different? Yeah, I see the answer. The Andy said, yeah, Andy is smart actually. Andy, you are you're very smart. That you can many questions. Yes, because they take and they use based on the uh, probabilities, right? Probabilities, right? Yeah, the answer is based on the probabilities, right? You're right. Okay, so we can know that the models will not choose the biggest. Okay, the model will not choose the biggest probabilities. They will choose anyone. It will choose anyone, any token. It will have probabilities. Maybe just a 1% it will choose. Maybe a 99% also will choose, right? So we can say that the models is to choose the token by the probabilities. I know nowadays we don't have, and we not only to have the large language models, we also have the multi-model large models, like the text to the generation. See, maybe this is Sora. This is Sora or not? Maybe not Sora. So you can see the text will to the video. This is a multi-model large model, right? And also we have the imaging to video. See, if I give him the models a picture, and he will output the videos, right? A flower, it's blows and glows. Okay. It's like the true, right? It's like in the real life, but actually it's created by the model, right? And also a video to video. Okay, that open large doors in library, replace doors with fresh doors, turn the library into a spaceship. It's you can see that if I just give him its models just a video and he will to replace the element. Yeah, it's very good, right? And the last is also video to video. You can see video to video. Okay, which models you used most frequently? Everyone, tell me. Which models in your daily life you use this the most frequently? Which tab? Imaging to video or just maybe chat? It's also okay. Chat also text to imaging, text to imaging, chat, create text. Um, okay, chat too. Yeah, for everyone, maybe chat is it's the most it's the most useful, right? Because we want to know some new things like the new knowledge. We will to ask the GPT and ask the models that we will use. Okay. So why will you to use the text to video? You use it for what? Just for fun? Why do you use the text to video, everyone? For Instagram videos. Oh, you will post post the Instagram, right? Fine. For make some reels. Okay, for funny videos. Okay, so it works, right? It works. It works, and it's not bad, right? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, for presentation. Whoa, yeah, and ah, ready to be able to stream content creation. So it's fun, right? So we can see that we can get some um happy and even for our emotions, the models will help us, right? Okay, see. So for the now, when we have know the development of the history of the AI in the yesterday, we know that like okay, the AI is born in 1956 and there is third wave, right? Third wave. The first wave is about the perception and the second is the multi-layer perception and nowadays it's come to the large models, not only the data center, not only the clustering cloud online to calculate like multi GPU like this so on. And this history of the AI, we will talk about the large language models, okay? Because these models is really changing our lives and really breaks through the AI. It was break through the boundary of the daily lives and the AI. Okay, and we will know that our daily life is all around the AI. So we can say that from the 2012 to the 2018, the period of the neural networks algorithms, and we should remember that this is the network algorithms, right? This is network. Sorry, we should it is not bad, not good. So this is the neural networks algorithms, and we should remember and to know that these models, these generation models and this modality, these models is all based on this network, right? Based on the neural networks. So nowadays every models neural networks, but tell me why the models while the models in the period of these times, it was not very, amazing. We can call it intelligence. Why we call not saying this model is good